Welcome. So in this video, I'm going to show you three things. The first is going to be how to mint your personality NFT. Then the second thing I'm going to show you is how to take advantage of all the utility, all the communities, apps, tools that you can with the personality NFT, and some of the things that we're building and working on. And then the third thing is how to share it with other people. So let's jump right in. So the first thing you want to do is you want to head over to the test itself, and that's going to be in the link that you have. And here, this is the main page. Now, what you want to make sure is that you have about 20 or 30 minutes to take the test. Now, while you're taking the test, make sure that you're not hungry because that could kind of skew your results a little bit. And then also you want to go with the thing that feels most natural to you when it comes to the options, because sometimes people overthink the options. Sometimes might get stuck thinking, are you more this way or that way? Instead, just kind of go with the way you behave most of the time and the thing that comes to you first. So without further ado, let's jump in. You're going to push this get started button. If you've taken tests very recently, you can see your past results, assuming you've logged in. So you're going to come here, and then it's a simple drop down. There's 7 options for this first part, so make sure you review all 7 options, and then you're going to do a rank order choice. So first choice, second choice, and third choice, and so on. And then the next part of the test is going to be the big 5 test, and then so on. So once you've taken the test, you're going to come to your results page. And then this is a very, very exciting page. So let me share with you everything that's available on this page, and then we're going to dive a little bit deeper into each part. So the first thing you have, and you kind of see it, is this dynamic, interactive NFT of your personality. Okay, and you could see that it spells out Ocean. That's your big 5 traits on the green side, and then on the front side it has your values and what you're looking at and focusing on in your life, and what you're looking to move towards. So these kind of represents your goals. Then we also have the communities tab, where you can use this inside of communities like on Discord or in the metaverse. We have a matches tab where we match you up with everyone else who's ever taken the test and show you who are your highest matches, and then you can connect with them. In the future, you're going to be able to filter for people that you're a high match with that also share, maybe they have a certain type of job or occupation or interest or goals in life, and then you'll be able to filter based on interests or goals or occupation, and then be able to meet people that are a part of what you're looking to create, for example. So and then we have the NFTs tab. So right now, if you go to any of these, they're going to be empty because you haven't even logged in, which is the first part. What we want to do is we want to come over here, and then we want to log in. You can log in with any social media account, Google, or with email. So this is everything that's available to you. So in this example, we're just going to go ahead and log in with our Gmail. So once we're logged in, the app is going to remember our results, and it's going to associate them with this email. So remember how you've logged in. Now, as soon as you log in, the app is going to take you right here to the profile page. Make sure you update the profile page. So let me show you how to do that real quick. You do edit profile, add your Twitter handle, add your Discord, okay? You can share what sex you are, and then submit. As soon as you submit, everything here is going to update, and then that's going to be your public profile. So the other cool thing that we do automatically for you is using Taurus, which is this app here. What we do is they automatically create an Ethereum wallet for you. So if you don't have a wallet, it's still very easy to mint your personality test. All you need to do now is just come over to the results, hit the mint button right here, and then mint with credit card. And then you're going to see this option here. And then right away, as soon as you pay, the app's going to start minting your personality NFT. So in this case, I didn't go through with that transaction because I want to show you the other way of doing it. So the other way of doing it, and this is if you have a Metamask, that's the preferred method. So what you can do is connect Metamask instead. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to connect Metamask, and boom, now Metamask has been connected. So now it's using Metamask as my primary wallet. And then I can go over into these different tabs. So if I go into NFTs, it's going to show a Rarity Card because I happen to have a Rarity Card, which is also a mint pass inside of my NFTs tab. Here's my matches. This is what that looks like. The community area is here. And so now let's go to Mint. So now when I come to Mint, since I'm connected with Metamask, I have two options. I could either mint with Ethereum, which is what you see here, or I could mint with my Rarity Card. So I'm going to go ahead and mint with my Rarity Card. Here it shows the Rarity Card, and I'm going to say free mint, and now it's going to start processing it. This comes up here, and I have to confirm the transaction, and now it's happening. Okay, so this is going to take a few minutes to process, and that's just how long it normally takes. So the next thing we are expected to see is a congratulations. So boom, it happened, and then our NFT should be live. So if we go back to our NFT tab, which is where we're right here, right away we can see a couple of things. One is, here's our NFT, okay? And now it's in our possession, it's in the NFT tab, it's on our blockchain. Now you officially own the NFT, it's yours, okay? And then you have a couple of really cool things here. It tells you what your rarity level is, what mint number you are, and then you even have a discount code. So, and then I'll talk more about this later. But now, let me show you all the things that you can do with your Personality NFT. So let's go back to results. And so here we are. Personality NFT. Now, as I said earlier, it's interactive. So you could spin it around, you could zoom in, zoom out, okay? And when you spin it around, you could even click on some of these and you can find out what it means. Like here's extroversion, okay? Here's openness, here's conscientiousness, and those numbers relate to the score that you have from 1 to 10, okay? And now you can come down further and actually get a full details on what all of this means. What does it mean to be high conscientious? What does it mean to be high in openness? What does the archetype mean, right? So you can always come down here and you can get a really big deep dive into your personality traits, the values, and how you see the world, how you interact with the world, how you move forward in the world. And so we also created a few gifts for you. So the first one is that right after you take your personality test, what we do is we've created a custom community of people for you. And this is going to be people that also have similar goals as you do. They're going to see and be moving forward towards similar things in their life. And that becomes very useful when you can meet people like that. And so let me show you what that area looks like. And so in order to go there, you want to come here, join Oracle Community. This is what you would be hitting. It's also in the community tab. It's right here, join Oracle Community. If you're one of the other archetypes, it'll be like join King Community or you know, whatever the respective one is, egalitarian or achiever, whichever your group is. And it'll take you over here. And this is the Growth Hub. So now the Growth Hub is where we have all of our content that's a lot of it very, very personalized to your particular growth journey. So if you're, let's say, an achiever, your growth journey and your goals in life are going to be a little bit different than, let's say, if you're an oracle or a mystic or if you're an egalitarian or integrator. You're just going to be looking at life from a slightly different perspective and moving towards different things. And so this is where you could see people that have taken the test in a very similar way as you have. The general lounge area is for everybody. This is where we all meet and congregate. Discovery is going to show you the things that are just the most recent. That are kind of happening. Same thing with the feed. You could see the members here. This is all the members that are within the community that have ever taken the test and that have also come to this area. And then we've created an enormous amount of content. So now the first part is this growth track. So the growth track is a series of courses, and the hero's journey is an example of this self-discovery and so on. These series of courses are designed to help take you up Maslow's hierarchy of needs. So depending on how you take the test, these are all very personalized courses. So you'll be using your cards inside of these courses. And right now the Hero's Journey is free. So when you have this card, you can come and you could take the Hero's Journey for free. And then you can use the cards, the Personality NFT back and front, as it'll guide you through this Hero's Journey. So then we also have growth topics. We have other courses and certifications. The Big 5 Personality Deep Dive course is also free, so you can take this course and you could have a really deep understanding of the Big 5 traits: openness, conscientiousness, etc. And then we have a skill up area. This area, in order to get access to it, you need to have your personality NFT. So what you'll do is you'll come here and you'll push access, and then you'll add your wallet, and this is where you add your MetaMask, okay? And then it'll see that you have it, and then it'll give you access. It'll confirm access, and it'll give you access to everything here. So let me show you what's in this area. So one of the things that we're doing in this Growth Hub is we're doing learning and growth in two different dimensions. First, you're doing it in a linear dimension, which is you're adding skills, you're improving your capabilities, you're learning new things, you're adding things to your life, right? That's like personal development or self-help. And this is where all that is. All the self-help, personal development, learning new skills is in the skill up area, and this includes audiobooks. And we have a number of free audiobooks that you can just come here and listen to, and many different topics like, well, obviously, self-help, psychology, sales and marketing, leadership, entrepreneurship, etc. We're working on book summaries, and then we also have over 250 Ivy League courses. So let's say you want to take a course from University of Pennsylvania on gamification. You can do it for free. So we have a lot of things that you can do that are just absolutely free, that are by themselves worth, the NFT. So computer science, humanities, science, engineering, math, just an enormous amount of courses, they're all available for you for free, Ivy League, and so on. And then we created an area for experiences. So as you're moving forward in life, a lot of us make this mistake of just either going and focusing way too much on moving forward and always being very driven. Okay, so a lot of desire, or not moving very much and kind of being a little bit more afraid, a lot of fear. So this constant moving forward and backward, back and forth, kind of could be overwhelming. So we want time to relax. We want time to soothe. So we want to engage our soothing system, and this is what these experiences are for. We have a sound garden, meditation area. So these are all different types of experiences that we've created. Then the VIP lounge. This is for you to have your personality NFT in order to be able to get access to this. And this includes the Game of Life DAO, includes projects the members are working on. So if you want to work on a project with someone else, or if you want to look at some of the projects that we're creating, you could participate here. We do have an open API that you can use, and a lot of people have started creating applications for it. So let me show you some of those applications and experiences. So one of the VIP areas is in the metaverse, and it's right here. Take me a couple of seconds to load up. So you're going to have access to this area as being a member of Personality NFTs. It's pretty cool. You can interact with people here. You can meet people here. It's really good for one-on-ones. And then what we're doing is we're starting to create experiences within these spaces, right? So right now it's kind of like a really nice meeting area. And as you start to think about creating things in the metaverse, the best way to think about how to create things in the metaverse is by going in the metaverse and creating them with other people, right? Because how else can you really communicate that maybe you want to have a 3D statue over here that interacts with you in a specific way? By being in here and interacting with something, an object that's 3D, it's a lot easier to communicate that than just to communicate it through an email or video. So that's where that's really going to come to shine. And you have a lot of things you can do here. You can use your screen share and use your microphone and talk and all kinds of stuff and chat. And then so that kind of gives you an idea of this space. And then here's an example of some of the experiences that we're working on creating. And what we're going to be doing is creating journeys for each archetype. And these journeys are designed to help you achieve your goals in life, help you live a happier, more lovely life, achieve your goals, and then also kind of give you more meaning. And so you're not just doing it on this horizontal level, but you're also engaging the vertical level where you're going deeper. where you're not adding things to your life, but you're subtracting things and you're just focusing on what's important and what's meaningful and what gives you more purpose. And so we're creating these sort of journeys that help you go in that direction as well. And so this is just one of them. And we're going to be creating ones that are just specifically designed for your personality and your archetype. And so this is going to be coming out pretty soon. And there's one more thing. So we have a bot in Decentraland. And what this bot does is it talks to you and introduces you to other people based on your personality NFT. So here we are in Decentraland, and let me go talk to it. So I think this is it right here. Oh. Let me show it to you. And we were using this bot for, here's Alice. Hi Alice, how are you? Yep. And so Alice can introduce you to other people based on your personality NFT, and it's in Decentraland. You can use it in any conference, any event that you have. If you're running a matchmaking thing in the metaverse, you could use this. So the opportunities are just very big. So and yeah, I already have an account. And so what it would do now, this is why it's so cool to have an NFT, right? Is that since it's on the blockchain, it could just, as soon as I log in to Decentraland with the same wallet, it'll know right away that I have the personality NFT. It'll be able to read it, and then it'll say, hey, go talk to John, and John's over there, for example, or user, John 1425 or whatever. And then I can start talking to John 1425. And then in the near future, we're going to be adding interests and hobbies and so all these other sort of things. So you can match on personality, you can match on goals and aspirations, and then you can also match up on interests and what you're actually doing in the moment. So we can have all those three different things come in together. So that kind of gives you an idea. This is Decentraland. It's an open metaverse. And so let's come back to your personality NFT. So you kind of have an idea of all the valuable things that you're getting. As soon as you mint your personality NFT, you're going to have all those perks. And now, let's say you want to share the project with someone. All you have to do is just share this discount code, okay? So you copy this code, you share it with a friend, you share it with family, etc. And then when they come to mint their personality, what's going to happen is that they're going to get cash back. So right now it's 10%. So you're going to give them 10%. So they're going to, and then we gave you up to 30% bonus. So we're rewarding you for helping grow the community. We're rewarding the community for helping grow the community. And so basically that's like the big picture of the project. And this is how you mint. So to review very quickly, you want to log in, do your profile, connect your wallet, hit the mint button, and then select either pay with credit card or you want to mint with Ethereum. So if you have any questions, let us know. You could always reach out to me directly, team@personalitynft.com, or we can just jump on a call if you're having any issues. So again, overall, very easy process, and we hope to see you in the community. Have a good rest of your day.